Hi there, this is Izzy, and it's time for a secret nighttime orchid haul. So I promised myself I wouldn't get any more, and then I did. So it really has to be the last time I get Neofinitias on eBay this time, but I got more Neofinitias on eBay. Have to admit it to you. I couldn't resist. I'm really excited about what's in this box, and I'm just going to get started and open it. Okay, so there seem to be 4 plants in here rather than the 3 I was expecting, but that's great. So let's take a look at them all one at a time. So the reason I really couldn't resist getting a few more was because the seller had some really big plants up for sale, and I was thinking, actually, I could do with a few big plants. It looks like they've got a little bit squished in transit, so I'll have to give them a good watering in the morning. But what do we have here? Well, first up, it looks like we've got a Neofinetia Juyeong. So, on trying to find out information about this plant, all I could find out was that it should be quite heavily pigmented, so really heavy anthocyanin pigmentation in the centre there, and also extending down the leaves, possibly into the flowers. I couldn't find a lot of other information on this plant. It should also have really nice curved leaves, but there is another plant, another name in Japanese in the kanji. And so it's possible, I don't know, but it's possible that this is also called shukage. So if you know whether this is actually shukage or not, please do let me know. I'd be very excited to have that confirmed. But shukage is a cross between shuteno and hokage. So shuteno is the lovely pink flowered red emperor orchid, one of the darker flowers for the Neofinetia falcata. And hokage is a form that has tiger striping variation, but both deep red and pale white, I believe. Now, Juyeong, this looks like a very healthy specimen. I will have a look at those roots another day, but we've got a big main fan here, really big, and we have got a little fan coming down the side, so very excited about that one. Next up, what do we have here? Now, this is Unkaku. So Unkaku is a Korean registered variety. This is derived from an amami seedling in South Korea and registered in 2006, I believe. Unkaku has a unique form of variegation, but it's highly different between fans. So Unkaku should have leaves that grow out with a variable variegation, which then changes to a central variegation, or nakafu stripe, as the leaf ages. But it doesn't happen with all of the fans, and as we can see, both of these fans don't seem to be variegated. But this is a very healthy plant indeed. What feels like a good root system down there, and 2 really nice healthy fans coming along. So that's going to be a great addition as well. And what's more, this one should have ruby roots. So each time there are new roots sprouting, they should be a hot pink colour. I'll wait to see that in the spring. The last one we have here is another, hopefully healthier, Komachimusume. So Komachimusume was that beautiful, possibly hybrid Neofinetia, which should have beautiful sunset coloration on the flowers. Now, I was not successful with the first Komachimusume that I got from this seller. You have to ignore that price. I think it's for a different plant, but I wasn't successful with the first one. It died. It got rot through the roots. So I'm going to have another go with this one. Fingers crossed. And we also have some kind of mystery seedling. I have no idea what that's going to be. I'll have to ask the seller later on. But we'll see. Interesting. Well, there you have it. What really needs to be my last eBay orchid haul. But we've got a wonderful, healthy looking Unkaku. Also fantastic fan of Juyeong. And a new Komachimusume to have another go. Plus a little random offshoot. I don't know what that will be. Thanks ever so much for listening. If you've liked this video, give it a like. If you've got any ideas on Juyeong, then please do let me know down below. If you'd like to hear more of these videos, just subscribe to the channel. I try and bring out a new one every week. And that's it from me for now. See you soon. Bye.